Android 17 is here, and Google is bringing some exciting new features to Android smartphones. From better multitasking and powerful creator tools to improved gaming, privacy, security, and performance, Android 17 could be one of the biggest Android updates yet. First, Android 17 focuses on multitasking. Users can quickly switch between multiple apps and manage information more easily, making it faster to work, watch videos, chat, and browse at the same time. For content creators, Android 17 introduces exciting new possibilities. You can record your screen while also capturing your face with the front camera, making reaction videos and tutorials much easier to create directly from your phone. Android 17 also brings smarter tools for creators. Artificial intelligence can help improve photos, videos, and audio, helping users create cleaner and better content without needing expensive equipment. Gamers are also getting new improvements. Android 17 provides better gaming controls and more customization, giving players more control over their gameplay experience, especially on foldable and large-screen devices. Privacy is another major focus of Android 17. Users get more control over what information apps can access, including location data, helping users protect their personal information. If your phone is lost or stolen, stronger security features can help protect your personal information. The device can be locked and important data can be protected from unauthorized access. Behind the scenes, Android 17 also improves system performance and memory management. Better resource management can help apps run more efficiently and may improve the overall user experience and battery efficiency. Overall, Android 17 is more than just a visual update. It focuses on productivity, content creation, gaming, privacy, security, and performance. Which Android 17 feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more smartphone and technology news.